I can confidently say this under cabinet collection display LED strip light is a true home upgrade. Its innovative design is perfect for under cabinets, bookcases, wardrobes, and closets. The COB LED technology provides a uniform, brilliant glow that enhances any space effortlessly. You'll love the sleek, modern look that fits seamlessly into any decor style. The dimmable feature allows you to set the perfect ambience for any occasion. A simple touch sensor makes adjusting the light as easy as tapping your finger. Installation is a breeze, with no complicated setup required. Its penetrable wood design ensures that the lighting integrates beautifully with your furnishings. This product not only illuminates your space but also adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. Imagine reading, working, or simply relaxing with perfectly tailored lighting. Each feature has been carefully crafted to provide both beauty and functionality. It's the ideal solution for anyone looking to enhance their home environment. Upgrade your space with a product that combines style, practicality, and cutting-edge technology. Join countless satisfied customers who have transformed their homes with this versatile LED light. Experience the difference today and let your home shine in a whole new light. Find the link in the comments to get yours.